Hello dear students, in this session we are going to derive an expression for work done in an isothermal process. Let us consider W as the amount of work done by the gas when it expands isothermally from initial volume V1 to final volume V2. So, there is an isothermal process, initial volume let it be V1 and the final volume is V2, okay, and the corresponding work done let it be W. Okay. How to write the equation for the W? W is equal to, we know that W is equal to integration of dW is equal to integration of P into dV between the limits V1 and V2. We know that work done is equal to pressure into volume. Small work done, okay, small work done is equal to pressure into small change in volume P into dV. Now, we know that for 1 mole of gas, okay, for 1 mole of gas, we know the ideal gas equation PV is equal to mu RT. For 1 mole, it is PV is equal to RT. Okay, ideal gas equation becomes PV is equal to RT. From this equation, I will write an equation for P. So, what is P here? P is equal to RT by V. So, this equation for P I am going to substitute here. So, what happens? W will be equal to integration of RT divided by V into dV between the limits V1 and V2. Let us do some simplification. This R and T are constants. R is okay, gas constant. T is temperature. Since it is isothermal process, temperature is constant. RT comes out. Okay, what happens? RT into integration of 1 by V with respect to V between the limits V1 and V2. We know that integration of 1 by V is log V. So, what happens? Work done is equal to RT into log V to the base E between the limits V1 and V2. Now, we will apply the limits here. So, what happens? Work done will be equal to RT into, okay, first you apply the upper limit, okay, log V2 to the base E minus log V1 to the base E. Now, we know that log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. Therefore, I can write work done is equal to RT into log, okay, log V2 divided by V1 to the base E. Now, we can convert this natural log into log to the base 10 by multiplying by 2.303, or this equation will be W is equal to 2.303 into RT into log V2 by V1 to the base 10. So, this is the expression for work done in an isothermal process. Now, we can write expression for work done in terms of pressures also. We know that from Boyle's law, we know that P1 V1 is equal to, okay, P2 V2, or we can write from this equation. What is that? V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2. If P1 and P2 are the corresponding pressures for volumes V1 and V2, then this equation will become W is equal to, in terms of pressures, 2.303 into RT into log P1 divided by P2, log P1 divided by P2 to the base 10. So, this is the equation for work done in terms of pressures. This is the equation for work done in terms of volumes. Very simple derivation. Thank you very much.